the western heights of I's old town, we rise where hills in hope are crowned. Ephraim stands proud and free, a beacon of strength and unity. In black and white we march away, with minds that burn and hearts well fed. Like western winds we boldly go, where dreams take flight and spirits glow. We are the sun that climbs the west, Ephraim's light we shine our best. With boats in hand, plunge move as guide, we walk